Maligayang pagbabalik sa Teacher Nainay TV. For today's video ay magpapakita po muli tayo ng another international seminar workshop on improving teachers' competence for distance education. Ayan. We are here sa page po, FB page ng CPD National Seminars for Educators. So, dito po sa FB page na ito ay makakakita kayo madalas ng mga seminars na makakatulong sa atin wherein we can earn CPD units as well as yung mga points na pwede nating magamit for the ranking or promotions. Alright? So, as you can see here sa kanilang first post, pinned post here, dated August 15. So, they will hold an international seminar workshop on improving teachers' competence for distance education. Okay, so this will be held on August 27 hanggang September 12, 2021 via Zoom application. So, nakalagay dito for complete details, click here. So, click natin para makita natin yung loob or what's the complete details. Alright. So, as you can see here, ayan, ang provider po ng ating webinar ay ang Center for Human Research and Development Foundation Incorporated. Ayan. So, this is a letter. So, to all school heads, principals, and DepEd teaching personnel. So, if you are one of the school heads or principals or teachers or teacher, pwede po kayong umattend sa webinar na ito. This is an international webinar or seminar. So, kapag international, hindi po ba mataas ang points? Alright? So, this is an invitation letter. Ayan, nakalagay po dyan. This program is designed for teachers and school leaders preparing for a new school year. So, through the different sessions and workshops delivered by highly competent speakers, the program will cultivate among school administrators and teachers the skills, knowledge, and dispositions necessary to succeed amid the distance education and in a profession that increasingly demands who are creative, collaborative, problem solvers, and critical thinkers. So this will be done through presentation of best practices associated with high-quality professional development activities. Okay? So, ano ba yung kanilang i-require for this webinar? So, you only need to have a stable internet connection, of course, and device to access Zoom and Google Classroom. And then, yun nga, ang target participants dito ay mga teachers from all levels and subjects, school leaders, whether you are from public or private schools. Okay? So, is this free? Okay, so this is the answer. They will have a registration fee. Ayan. For early registration, when we say early registration, you're going to pay for the registration fee on or before August 25, 2021 only. So, pwede kayong makapagbayad ng 1,800. Okay, may discount. But if you're going to register as regular attendee, we will pay 2,000 pesos, which is ang deadline ay August 26 to 27, 2021. And then their mode of payments are here. So, sa GCash daw or Paymaya, but you are not going to send money. Okay? Ang gagawin po dito ay para ka magde-deposit sa kanilang, hindi pala parang, kayo po ay magde-deposit sa kanilang bank account. Okay? Pwedeng gamitin yung GCash doon, hindi po ba, or Paymaya. Okay? Kung walang GCash or Paymaya, you can go to the banks na meron po sila, which is the over-the-counter payment. Ayan. So, ang kanilang mga banks ay ito po. They have Metro Bank, AUB, and Palawan Express. Okay, yung Palawan Express, it's not bank. Pero ano siya, parang payment center. Okay? Ayan. So, pwede nyong i-capture yung information nila. They have there the account number and savings account number. ay account number and savings account number. Okay? Ayan. And then, after you pay the registration fee, all you have to do is to email the proof of payment and your complete name at chrdf.incorporated@gmail.com with subject ITC. Anyway, ilalagay natin yan doon sa may bandang ibaba sa comment section para madali ninyong makuha. Okay. Dun sa babayaran natin, ano ba yung mga benefits na pwede nating makuha? Alright, so here are the conference benefits. First one, 3 Certificate of Completion for CPD units. 3 Certificate of Completion for NEA Professional Development Points. 3 Certificate of Registration. Certificate of Participation, wherein you're going to see that it's international level with 24 hours. Certificate of Attendance, Certificate of Appearance for Government Workers, Certificate of Membership, e-handouts, so in PDF format, they are going to send that to us, and then digital and printed certificates. Okay? Pero dun sa binayaran natin 1,800 or 2,000, naka-exclude po dun yung shipping fee. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya kasama doon. Alright? So, here are naman the conference schedule, which is total of 24 hours training indicated in the certificate. So, for day 1, that would be 4 to 8 p.m. Day 2 is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Day 3 is 8 to 6 p.m., 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And day 4 is 4 to 8 p.m. So, the seminar workshop will be done with synchronous or live via Zoom app and asynchronous activities in Google Classroom. Okay? If you have some questions or if you want to inquire something, you may visit their page, their website. Ayan. www.chdf.org.ph/fax. Or you may call them dito sa mobile number na ito, or email them in chdf.inc@gmail.com. Okay? So, there you go. Balik tayo dun sa ating CPD National Seminar na page. Okay? So, nandyan po yung complete details. Okay? So, kung gusto po ninyong mag-join dyan, ilalagay ko lang po sa may bandang ibaba sa ating comment section ang kanilang link kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-register. Okay? So, paano po muli? Sa susunod muli nating pagkikita para makapag-provide po tayo ng mga seminars natin. It's either international or national seminars for educators. So, maraming salamat po at mag-ingat po ang lahat. See you again! Bye-bye!